Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to prevent channel admins from managing messages on your Telegram channel, using the latest steps for 2025. If you want to keep tighter control over your channel's content and decide exactly who can delete or manage messages, follow along as we walk through the process. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary permissions to manage admin rights in your channel. Only channel owners or those with full rights can adjust admin privileges. Next, head over to your channel by selecting it from your chat list. Once you're inside, tap on the channel name at the top of the screen. This will open the channel's information page, where you can see details about your channel and access its settings. Now, look for the Edit option, usually represented by a pencil icon. Tap on Edit to access the channel management menu. Here, you'll find several options to configure your channel. But for this tutorial, focus on the Administrators section. Tap on Administrators. You'll see a list of all the admins currently assigned to your channel. Find the admin whose permissions you want to change and tap on their name. This will open a detailed list of the rights and permissions assigned to that specific admin. Look for the option labeled Manage Messages. This permission allows an admin to delete or control messages within the channel. To prevent this admin from managing messages, simply toggle the Manage Messages switch off. Make sure the switch is gray or unselected, indicating that the permission is now disabled. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to save. Tap the Save or Checkmark button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Your changes will take effect immediately, and the selected admin will no longer be able to manage or delete messages in your channel. By following these steps, you can fine-tune exactly what each admin is allowed to do, helping you maintain the integrity of your channel's content and keeping control in your hands. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Telegram tips and updates.